JASP, Structural Equation Modeling, Political Democracy. This dataset, Political Democracy, provides indicators of industrialization in 1960 and political democracy indicators in 1960 and 1965. Variables. X1 to X3 are indicators of industrialization in 1960. Y1 to Y4, indicators of political democracy in 1960. Y5 to Y8, indicators of political democracy in 1965. This example demonstrates the use of structural equation modeling. Specifically, our model assumes three latent variables: industrialization in 1960, political democracy in 1960, and political democracy in 1965. We test whether political democracy in 1960 and 1965 is related to industrialization, and that political democracy in 1960 predicts political democracy in 1965. The first table provides the chi-square test of the model. In this case, the test is not significant, which means that we cannot reject the model. Step by step. Open data file. Select Structural Equation Modeling under menu item SEM. Enter or paste the model into Model 1 area. Press Ctrl-Enter to apply. Check Additional Fit Measures under Output Options.